Kids, what's the rule about running in the house? I love. That food smells amazing.
Momma, ¿quieres sopa?
Ah,
You scared me. Momma, you didn't tell me we had a visitor. Well, I'm Purple Vegan Mama. Welcome to my home. This is where I cook my magic. And you just caught me making magic. Oh, that's some ramen-style soup. I blended up a good chunk of ginger with some liquid aminos and veggie broth. Then I poured it back in the soup. It really enhances the flavor. Plus, the kids have been coughing, so we can all use some. Oh, whoops! Gotta watch the steam. Hang on, I gotcha. There we go. So anywho, I live here with my amazing and supportive husband and my 4 energetic, hilarious, and adorable children. I own Purple Vegan Mama's Market, which is a natural foods market filled with products that keep your brain happy and your body healthy. I'm also a speech-language pathologist, so I get to help people communicate their thoughts and their feelings. It's so incredible. When I'm not busy, which is never, just kidding, I turn people purple. Listen, I can feel when people need my help. There's a surge of energy that pulls me down into the earth. When I emerge from the underground network, I'm Purple Vegan Mama, the superhero, charged up and ready to enlighten people on natural and healthy living. I turn them purple with this exchange of information and energy. They have the ability to turn other people purple as well. I love every single one of them. Oh, let me run. It was really nice to meet you. Hope to see you very soon.
baby.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Purple Vegan Mama. If you love this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on everything Purple Vegan Mama. As always, I love you, my purple people.